What if the most terrifying part of Disclosure Day was not the aliens? What if it was the fact that somebody already knew they were here? Because hidden throughout the film are clues suggesting that the Roswell crash was never an accident, the government was never in control, and the final alien message may not have been a greeting at all. It may have been a warning. Today we are uncovering 6 dark theories that completely changed Disclosure Day, and trust me, the last one is easily the most disturbing. Theory 1: the Roswell crash was a test. Everyone assumes the aliens crashed, but what if they did not? Think about it. A civilization capable of crossing galaxies suddenly makes a mistake and crashes into a desert. That sounds impossible. What if the crash was intentional? What if the aliens wanted to see how humanity would react to first contact? Would we share the discovery with the world or hide it? According to this theory, Roswell was never a failure. It was an experiment, and humanity failed. The government buried the truth, the evidence disappeared, and the aliens learned something important about our species. We fear the unknown more than we value the truth. Theory 2: Noah was never the villain. Most viewers see Noah as the antagonist. But what if he spent decades protecting humanity from something far worse? Noah knows exactly what happens when people learn the truth. Religions collapse, governments lose credibility, societies become unstable. That is why he hides everything, not because he hates humanity, because he's terrified of what humanity might do. The disturbing possibility is that Noah was not trying to stop disclosure, he was trying to delay a global panic. Theory 3: Daniel was chosen before he was born. Daniel is different from everyone else. Alien technology react to him, patterns make sense to him, and the aliens seem to recognize him immediately, almost as if they have met him before. Some fans believe Daniel was genetically altered long before the story begins, not by humans, by aliens, which means Daniel is not humanity's representative, he is their creation. Theory 4: the Cardinal Bird is watching. Every major event begins with the same thing. A cardinal bird, most people think it symbolizes hope, but what if it is surveillance? The bird appears before powers awaken, before messages arrive, before destinies change, and it is not the only animal. Deer, foxes, raccoons, they all appear around important moments. What if these animals are not animals at all? What if they are biological monitoring devices left behind by the aliens watching, waiting? Theory 5: Vardex was using alien technology for decades. The public believed humanity was alone. Meanwhile, Vardex had access to technology decades ahead of the rest of the world. Weapons, energy systems, communication devices, all hidden behind secrecy. The terrifying question is simple: how much of modern technology was actually invented by humans, and how much was copied from something that came from somewhere else? Theory 6: the final message was a warning. The movie never reveals what the alien whispered to Daniel, and that feels deliberate throughout the film. Humanity stands on the edge of conflict. Fear drives every decision. Division grows stronger. Then the alien arrives, and instead of offering technology or power, it delivers a message. The clues are everywhere. Do not fear what you do not understand. Empathy is survival. Listen, put those pieces together, and a chilling theory emerges. The aliens were not warning us about an invasion, they were warning us about ourselves. Perhaps they have watched countless civilizations destroy themselves, and perhaps humanity is next. And maybe that is what makes Disclosure Day so disturbing. The movie never asks whether aliens exist, it asks whether humanity deserves the truth. Because if these theories are correct, the crash was planned, Daniel was chosen, the animals were watching, and the final message was not a greeting, it was a warning. So tell me, what do you think the alien whispered to Daniel?